The design here calls for a compost bay running through here with bins in it. You may notice if I select this line here, it's at an unusual angle, 338.43. What I'd like to demonstrate is that you can right click, go to drafting settings and add under polar tracking that same angle, and it's turned on. So that should help me greatly when I select that and I want to copy it. I'll pick it up at this bottom corner. You may be able to see that a dotted line is extending out at that angle, runs right to the bottom of the screen there across the transparently filled upper canopy. So I can just, I'll do this by eye. I could set the tracking distance and get this precise if I wanted to, but can you see that having that angle set makes it quite easy to do that? And now, because each one of these bays is a filled rectangle, the hatching now goes behind these series of bays. I'm still able to see the hatching indicating grass through the upper canopy, which is what we would expect. So we're able to work with the design, getting the desired effect. And you'll find that using polar and additional angle settings is really helpful. I don't think that the series of bays is parallel to the fence line, but we can easily turn that into a block like so, select it, and I think I've got everything and nothing additional, and right click and we'll call this compost bay. Always pick a pick point when you're making a block on the fly, and we'll pick that one and we'll go OK. Now that's a single entity, and if we click in here and drag away, we might take polar off now because we don't want to snap to a particular line. I think if I do this by eye it will be near enough. So I've rotated the line of compost bins. Didn't quite work, did it? I need to click and try again and come in like so. The row of bins is aligned to my satisfaction, and because each one of those bays is a closed polyline, the hatching, grass hatching in here goes behind the compost bins, which is how I would like it. A similar approach was adopted for this worm farm area.